Idioms not only beautify our language but make it more interesting and more creative. In our earlier videos also we discussed some important idioms, and in this video we are going to learn one such important idiom. It is heads will roll. What is the meaning of this idiom? The meaning of this idiom is like this: people will be punished or will lose their jobs because of something bad that has happened. It is punishment. When you do something wrong, when some damage is done because of you, heads will roll, meaning some people will be punished or suspended or dismissed or removed from the job. This is the meaning of the idiom heads will roll. So let us try to see some examples for this idiom. "45 devotees died in the stampede because of making poor arrangements. Once the inquiry is over, heads will roll." Meaning, after the inquiry, the persons who are responsible for the stampede will be dismissed. The CM is upset with the leakage of the question paper scandal. "I am sure heads will roll without any inquiry." Meaning, even without any inquiry, the officers concerned will be punished. Power went off for 6 minutes when the president was giving the speech. Heads will roll after the inquiry. Meaning, after the inquiry, the technicians who are responsible for the blackout will be fired. Elections should be held smoothly without any disturbance and violence. If anything goes wrong, heads will roll. Meaning, the officials concerned will be suspended if anything goes wrong. Heads will have to roll if the principal comes to know about the involvement of the teachers in the late night party at the hostel. Meaning, the teachers who are involved in the party will have to be removed from the service. So this is the way to use the idiom heads will roll. We use this idiom to say that people who are responsible for something bad will be suspended or dismissed or punished. So keep watching JBK English videos and learn more and more idioms, phrasal verbs, figures of speech to beautify your language and make it more interesting and more creative. Stay safe. Have a great time.